Okay, today we have to do some problem. Page number 8, example 4. Did you see that? Example 4. Write that question in your notebook. Write that question in your notebook and close your textbook. After that, close your textbook. In a quiz, Amit scored minus 60, 20 and 0 and Payal scored 20, 0 and minus 60 in 3 successive rounds. Who scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? That is the question. Write the question in your book and close your text. Finish writing? Yes. No. Anmare, make it fast. Okay. Then close your textbook and listen to question. In a quiz, Amit scored minus 60, 20 and 0. And Payal scored 20, 0 and minus 60 in 3 successive rounds. Who scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? What is the question? In a quiz competition, 2 participants scored different scores in 3 successive rounds. There were 3 rounds and they scored 3 different scores. Then what is the sum of the scores? What is the sum of the scores? And find out who got the great score. Who got more score in the quiz competition. And there is also one question. Can we say that we can add integers in any order? First, you find out the total score of the participant, 2 participants. Okay? Find out the sum. First, you find out the sum of the scores of 2 participants. What is the step for writing answer? Look here. First one. Total score of Amit. First participant is Amit and his total score is, he scored minus 60, then 20, then 0. This is the scores of Amit. Minus 60 plus 20 plus 0. The sum of these 3 integers are, what is the sum? Minus 60 plus 20. Find the difference and put this sign of the greater one. Answer is minus 40. Then plus 0 to that. Minus 40 plus 0, minus 40. Answer is minus 40. That is, total score of Amit in that quiz competition is minus 40. Then find out the total score of Payal. Find the sum. Write down in your notebook and find out the sum. First score is 20. Then he got 0. Then he got minus 60. And what is the sum? 20 plus 0 plus minus 60. What is the sum? And did you get the answer?
Minus 40.
Minus 40. Okay. He also got minus 40. Then what is the question? Who scored more? Who scored more? Both have same scores. Okay. The answer for that question is both participants scored same scores. Both participants scored same scores. The answer for that question, who scored more? Okay. There is also another question. Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Look at that scores. Minus 60, 20, 0. Scores of Amit. Then scores of Payal is 20, 0 and minus 60. The scores are same, but the order is different. Scores they got are same. 3 scores, 20, 0 and minus 60. But the order of that scores are different. But we can see that if we add 3 integers in any order, we get the same answer. The order is not important for addition. So, if we add integers in any order, we get the same integer. Which property is that? Which is that property? Property of, which is that property, Faith? Integers can be added in any order. What is that property?
Both, miss.
What? Addition have some properties. So, one of them is integers can be added in any order. What is that property? The name of that property is second property. What is that property? Sean? Shreya?
Addition.
Sean, what is the answer?
Addition.
Addition. What is the property of addition that says 2 integers can be added in any order? Shreya, what is the answer?
Commutative property.
Yes, very good. It is commutative property. The second property of addition is commutative property, and it says that 2 integers can be added in any order. Okay. Then we can say that The question for the last question is, we can say that we can add integers in any order. Thus, we conclude that we can add integers in any order. Okay, write this also in your notebook. Thus, we conclude that we can add integers in any order. That is the answer for that question. Okay. Then, write down the next question. Example 5. The sum of two integers is minus 50. If one of them is 8, find the other. Page number 8, example 5. Write the question in your notebook and close your book. Find out the answer. The sum of two integers is minus 15. Write down the question. If one of them is 8, find the other. After finish writing question, then close your book and find out the answer. Okay, all of you listen here. Okay, what is the question? The sum of two integers is minus 15. If one of them is 8, then find the other. Here, one number is unknown. Let the unknown number is, let the unknown number, the other integer, let the other integer is a or x or y as you like. We can take it as x. Okay. Then the sum of these x and 8 is minus 50. So we can write that x 8 plus x is equal to minus 50. Okay. The sum of x and 8 is minus 50. Then we have to find out the value of x. Okay. Then what is the process? What is the process of finding out the value of x? Put x in the left side of the equal sign and take a to the right side of equal sign. Here x is equal to minus 15 minus 15. This plus 8 becomes minus 8 when we take it into the right side. Okay. The plus 8 becomes minus 8 and minus 8. Minus 15 minus 8. Okay. Then what is the answer? X is equal to minus 15 minus 8. What is the answer? 4, 7. How will you get that? It is a subtraction process and we have to add the additive inverse of 8. What is the additive inverse of 8? minus 8. Minus 15 plus minus 8. Then we have two integers with same sign. Add these two numbers and put the same sign. Then what is the answer? Minus 28. You got it? You got it? Next question is the sum of two integers is minus 24. If one of them is 15, then find the other integer. Write this question and find out the answer. It is like the same question you just done. It is the same method. Write the question and find out the answer. The sum of two integers is minus 24. If one of them is 15, then find the other integer. Make it fast. We have only 8 minutes more. So that's all for today. Please do your homework. If you have any doubt, contact me, okay? Okay. Let's wind up the class. See you next class.